37. World's major straits. 1. Strait of Gibraltar, Bab el Azcag, connecting Mediterranean Sea and Atlantic Ocean and separates Africa, Morocco, and Europe, Iberian Peninsula. Due to its extreme strategical importance, it is also called Key of the Mediterranean Sea. One amongst the world's hardest rocks, i.e., Gibraltar rocks, is situated here. This is one of the busiest straits of the world, through which several dozens of merchant and navy ships cross every day throughout the year. 2. Strait of Bab el-Mandeb. It separates Arab Peninsula and Africa, and connects Red Sea and Gulf of Aden. It has strategic importance. The ships moving through the Suez Canal pass through it. A bridge is under consideration to be constructed on this strait to provide a land route between Southwest Asia and East Africa. 3. Bass Strait. It is a major strait which connects Tasman Sea and Indian Ocean, and separates mainland of Australia and Tasmania Island. It is very rich in mineral oil and natural gas. Many small islands are located in it. It is a busy shipping route connecting the cities of Western Australia with those of eastern part of Australia. The ships from the Indian Ocean to New Zealand also pass through this strait. It is named after the English explorer George Bass, who discovered the strait in 1798. 4. Strait of Bosporus. It is a famous strait which connects Black Sea and Sea of Marmara and separates Asia and Europe. It has strategic importance. The ships going to the Black Sea pass through it. Istanbul city is located along its coast. This strait is about 32 kilometers in length. 5. Malacca Strait. It connects Andaman Sea and Java Sea, and separates Malay Peninsula and Sumatra Island. It is very important from transport point of view. The ships going to China, Japan and western parts of America pass through it. The port of Malacca and Singapore lie on this coast. 6. Strait of Hormuz. It is a narrow strait which connects Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman and separates Iran and Oman. It has always been important strategically. The oil tankers pass through it in large numbers. Because seepage and spill of oil, the Hormuz Strait is highly polluted, and this has affected its marine ecosystem and life adversely. 7. Davis Strait. It separates Canada and Greenland, and connects Baffin Bay and Labrador Sea. The cold Labrador Current passes through it, which brings huge-sized icebergs along with it. It freezes in winter. 8. Bering Strait. It connects Arctic Ocean and Pacific Ocean, and separates Asia and North America. It is very narrow, and thus big icebergs do not enter the Pacific Ocean. 9. Göteborg Strait. Denmark Strait. The Göteborg Strait separates Greenland from Iceland. Under the impact of west wind drift, Gulf Stream, its water remain above freezing point throughout the year. During the World War HMS Hood, Britain's warship, was sunk here by the German battleship Bismarck. 160.